Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming Vscode is open and you're in the right profile, because settings can be profile-specific. Once done, open the extension sidebar with Ctrl+Shift+X or CMD+Shift+X, then type GitHub Copilot in the search box. You want the Copilot extension entry visible. This is the control point. Make sure you can see its gear icon and disable/uninstall options. That lets you choose a quick disable or fine-grained setting changes without digging through global preferences. Now, click the extension's gear icon and pick Disable for Workspace if you want to stop suggestions only in this project. Pick Disable Always to stop them everywhere. Once disabled, extension suggestions and inline hints stop immediately. If you prefer not to disable the whole extension, open its settings and toggle off Enable Suggestions. That preserves other features like commands. Make sure to choose Workspace versus Global intentionally, so you don't lose Copilot where you still want it. Finish by reloading the window when prompted, since some changes require a reload to take effect. Use Developer, reload window if needed. If suggestions still appear, inspect User and Workspace settings. JSON for keys like Copilot, enable or inline suggest. Enabled and set them false. Once done, make sure to restart Vscode to flush caches. If problems continue, uninstall the extension and reinstall. But note that uninstall is the last resort when toggles and settings don't stop suggestions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.